Very good morning, dear students. In the previous class, we saw the types of rocks, that is, igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rock. So, now let us look into the meaning. Igneous rock. The word igneous has been derived from which word? Latin word. The word igneous means, in a Latin language, it is ignis, that means fire. It forms because of what? Because of the volcanic eruption. It is the first basic most rock which is going to be formed for the formation of any other rocks. It is the basis. Which one? Igneous rock is the basis, first basic rock which will be formed. It is of two kinds. One is intrusive igneous rock and the other one is extrusive igneous rock. In igneous rock we have two types. One is intrusive and the other one is extrusive. So rocks that cools below the surface of the earth once the magma gets cools, and it when the magma comes out of the volcanic eruption and it cools below the surface of the earth, it's called intrusive rock. When the magma liquid that comes out and becomes cool on the surface of the rock, on the surface of the earth surface, it is called extrusive igneous rocks. So next is sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are those types of rocks that are formed by the accumulation or the deposition of the minerals at the earth surface. So whatever the igneous rocks gets the magma which going to be cools down and settles on the earth surface, it's a extrusive rock. This extrusive igneous rock becomes later on what? Sedimentary rocks. So these types of rocks that are formed by the accumulation or deposition of minerals is called what? Sedimentary rock. Next is metamorphic rock. The third one is metamorphic rock. In that metamorphic rock, what happens? When the igneous and the sedimentary rocks are subjected to intensive, when they are due to the heat and pressure, what happens? These igneous rocks and the sedimentary rocks going to be in a process called converts the metamorphic process. During this process, what happens? The igneous and the sedimentary rocks becomes metamorphic rock. So dear students, I said the sedimentary rock. So the name tells that sedimentary. Sedimentary is nothing but, or the sediment. What happens? The rocks made of sediments. Sediment means are those. It's a small pieces of rock or the broken pieces of the rock. We call it as sediments. So when these sediments are the small pieces of rocks, which will be formed as a result of what? As a result of breakdown of the existing rock. And how these breakdowns happens? Due to running water and the wind and rain and snow and the animals, they are telling here. The animals in the sense decomposed, dead decay of the animals, all this together makes the sedimentary rocks. So as more and the more sediments are deposited, that is broken pieces of rocks are get mixed with this due to the running water, rain, snow, and a decay of the animals, they become compressed. That means they are going to be close together. They mix up with these rocks, which are those decaying of animals and the snow. All this leads to what? Become layer in layer, and it is very hard to form these rocks. It takes many years. So such rocks are called sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are those rocks which are made from the sediments. Sediments are nothing but small pieces of rocks which will be broken down from the existing rock. And these sediments will be deposited in where? Layers or strata they call. Layer step by step. That is layer by layer. So one below the other. So that's why it is called as a strata. So sediment rocks are also known as what? Stratified rocks. What do we say? Stratified rocks. So dear students, now we will see the difference between intrusive igneous rock and the extrusive igneous rocks. What does the intrusive igneous rock says? These are the rocks that cools below the surface of the earth. They are called intrusive rock. And the rocks that cools on the earth surface on the surface on the top of the earth surface are called extrusive igneous rock. Intrusive rocks will be inside the earth. This will be the upper portion of the earth. These rocks are forms large crystals. That is, when the magma gets cools down, it breaks down into become a crystal. That is intrusive igneous rock. Extrusive becomes what? They are also smaller crystals. They also form a smaller crystals. Intrusive becomes larger crystal. Extrusive igneous rock becomes smaller crystals. An example is granite and dolerite are examples of intrusive igneous rock. Granite and dolerite. And basalt and obsidian is the examples for extrusive igneous rocks.